Wait,
With every death comes
you know what? That's fine.
with honor, redemption.
Dude, guys, I like how you're having a whole fucking conversation with them.
Okay.
Sorry.
He's out weaving me.
Yeah, you gotta make sure they're nice and
Wait,
friendly.
let me
Not-
dance with you.
Thank you.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I'm ready to kill.
What was that?
What are you guys doing?
Dancing.
Dancing.
Waiting around.
Oh, okay. So you're just like doing something.
Okay, let's go.
Acknowledged.
Who's this girl?
Okay.
Oh, I love your skin.
3,
Never mind. It's not. It's not my favorite skin.
attack commences.
Nice.
Capture objective A.
See through the dragon's eyes.
They have a soldier?
Widow's up high.
Are we
Oh
still,
shoot.
are we still hog? What the fuck? Arr.
Widow's up on the roof.
I'm putting down a shield.
Hog's discorded? Hog discorded?
Marissa's down. Get hog, get hog.
Roadhog. Roadhog.
I'm at 80.
Zen's
so
on high
shout
ground?
Zen low.
A soldier. Soldier right side. Soldier right side.
out. Soldier one,
Zen's
soldier
down.
one.
Soldier one.
He's discorded?
Shit.
Fuck you.
Widow's down here. Oh,
I've
Wait,
shot
no.
her, I've shot her.
We got point.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Should I? No.
No. Just leave it.
Never.
I'm here.
You guys can push up, push up, push up. Be aggressive. Get out of here.
No.
Go. Go. Oh, you push up.
Like,
Or
who's Scaria?
stand here. That's Caius.
By the dragon.
Alright, both snipers are up here.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Zen's half, Zen's half.
Widow's down.
Best you can do. The dragon awakens.
Zen's
A good
down.
one.
Mercy Rose.
Shit.
I'm a shot her, I'm a shot. Oh, ready? No, no, no.
Alright, Widow's right above you guys.
Zenyatta. Orisa's low. Orisa's low.
Widow's down.
Also, you're down about 2 right now.
You got my ult.
Let's get out of here.
Alright, we have grab dragon.
I have dragon.
You got dragon.
Yeah.
My shield's down, my shield's
Alright,
down.
so grab. Can't make sure.
Down.
Damage boost him.
Oh, I got the Mercy!
Widow's down.
Orisa.
Shot
Hanzo's
is
still
down,
up.
shot is down.
Stand low.
Shit.
Nice job.
Y'all in trouble? Okay, never mind.
Someone on the left side.
Hog's coming left side.
Yeah, it's hard.
No, they're leaving, they're leaving.
Nice job.
Yeah, better be leaving.
Okay, there, she's here.
Yeah, push up.
Probably
kill me. She's dead.
Oh, well, she might be dead. I don't know about that one, but she might be.
Don't worry.
Nice, nice.
Nice, nice.
With a
Oh,
red.
Going for the
that's gonna
res.
run. Yeah,
Widow is res.
oh shit, there's a Hanzo behind.
Shit, I died.
Nice job.
Oh, that was...
Sorry, Cam.
Yeah, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
I am what you would call dead.
Okay, I'm going back. I'm going back.
I must.
Shit, I'm
Yeah, you're gonna die, dude.
yeah.
No, he's not.
Oh,
Fuck.
You're active gonna survive.
I'm punishing Zen.
Just go back. Just go back.
yeah.
Der Kampf ist noch nicht vorbei. Let's get the payload moving again.
Ready? I have trends. We can push him with trends.
Alright.
Okay, everybody's still go. Okay.
Watch for hot
Probably.
hooks. Nice pick.
I shot him.
Sterben nicht.
Oh, they popped the vault. Oh, bad. Yeah, alright.
Hog.
Hog's down. But it's
Zenyatta,
not-
Zenyatta.
Oh, it's getting res.
Back up.
Hog res.
Oh wait, it's only me. Sick.
I still have my ult. Scoop you. Okay, you got
I
it.
got my
I'm
ult.
dead. No. I don't got
Oh, don't worry,
Dragon.
I'm dead.
We can push
They-
the Valk.
They use Valk supercharger in the full.
Dragons
Oh
are
my
right.
god.
Alright, Cam, make sure you damage boost Scoopy, okay?
Okay, wait. Where is it? Okay.
The dragon stirs within me.
Do you want me to use Valk in this one?
No, just damage boost him.
I'm gonna die.
You sure?
Never mind. Back up.
My shield low. Putting it down.
Let's push with Valk. I think it's a good idea. We're missing. Okay, yeah.
Everybody steady? Ready? Let's go. Go.
Damage boost. Damage boost.
Lancel's down.
Oh shit.
Alright, back up. They valked.
Yeah, they pop dragons. They probably have full hog.
Oh shit.
Might have supercharger.
They're ready
dead.
for dead. Sorry, combo.
Start over at the beginning.
Alright, we should
See, get the payload moving.
probably switch off this.
Dragon stirs within me.
Go in one more fight. I have trance. After that, we can just switch to dive.
Yeah, I'm putting my shield down. I'm turning my shield away.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw dragons.
Or dragons.
Nice.
Widow's up high.
Zenyatta.
Switching dive.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Scoopy, go Tracer.
60 seconds.
Ruby, you can say Widow.
Shit. I died.
Oh shit. A lot of health I'm missing.
You're going around left.
Honestly, forgot you could go around this.
They saw us.
Fuck it.
30 seconds remaining.
Hog's low.
Get roped. They popped the trance.
I'm focusing Widow. Mercy. Mercy down.
I'm on zone.
Zenyatta's low. I'm on. Get Orisa.
I'm on Widow.
Get Widow.
Where are you?
She's low.
Widow's down.
Hanzo left side.
Brother, how are you? How is your? Okay.
I'm on Zenyatta.
Zenyatta's stuck.
Got my ult.
I'm just dead.
What the fuck?
Orisa.
This is low.
Sorry, Orisa.
Get Tracer.
Road dog.
I'm focusing Mercy. Mercy's low.
Mercy.
Mercy's down.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
Tracer. There we go.
Nice job,
Oh,
guys.
okay.
Easy game. I don't know why we play against you.
That was good.
Score 3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses.
Alright, double sniper again?
Select your
Or
hero.
I'm asking coach.
Okay. What about healers? What should we go?
I mean, for healers, it's always gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be Zen Mercy.
Jackson wants me to tell everyone that our 360 lobbed a Zen stick.
Wait, what?
Well, I did a 360 stick with a pulse bomb on Zen, I guess.
Ruby, can you play Brig?
I can indeed.
Alright, play Brig.
You want me to play Reinhardt or Ursa?
Ryan's Zarya. Ryan's Zarya.
Wait, Ryan's Zarya?
Hanzo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, almost the same.
Who should
Or
I
actually,
be?
you go Junkrat, cause we're not getting the value out of the Hanzo ult.
Scoopy, me? Junkrat? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Here I go.
Got it.
I don't even know why I stand on this map. I assume it's like something
Wait,
over
wait,
here.
wait. Do you have the
Are
dance?
we going top left or in the choke?
I don't know.
Oh.
Tell us, shield guy who holds his 10-year shield.
I don't know, I'm just standing here. I don't play this
Same
map
day?
that much.
This is a bad spot, by the way.
Hey, you told me to tell you where to stand.
Alright, you can start up there, yeah, but we gotta drop down to point.
Okay, let's
basically.
go.
One.
Alright.
Attackers in.
So as they start progressing through, just drop to point immediately. They have a widow.
Let's push through. Oh,
Winston discorded.
Oh, I'm down.
Oh shit, I did a mistake.
Give
I'm
us
running.
low.
Thanks.
My shield is down.
Just wait until
Thumbs
you
up on top.
Widow. Winston behind.
behind. Shit.
Watch the widow,
Sick.
Cam. Watch the widow.
No, she's alone.
There's a
I'm,
tracer.
she's dead.
I'm going.
Zinjala. Zinjala's low.
Oh shit.
Keep calling targets.
Zen's up here by the boxes.
Widow.
Alright. I have ult.
Oh, that was pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie.
is charging.
Well,
No, back up. They took that point.
I'm on it. Join me.
Alright, Ruby, just play around me, cause all that Winston does is jump on me.
The payload.
Alright.
Winston's coming around left. Alright, start pushing forward. We can't give them this much space.
oh, tracer behind. Thank you. Tracer.
Oh, what? I don't know.
Winston.
There's someone inside too.
Alright,
They're surrounding us.
Tracer's low.
Oh, shoot.
What?
I'm oh
They
my
was a little
god.
too close.
That was
Team kill.
oh.
I got my help. We got 6 ult right now.
Alright.
do tire. Initiate with tire.
Oh fuck. Wait, what? Okay. I
Ready with the
accidentally
ult?
popped my ult, but it's back again.
Widow's up top.
Someone behind though.
Widow's up top. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
this
nice.
Please up. Please help. No, what is happening?
Yeah, everybody was dying. We need to switch off this. We need to go a Widow. Contest their Widow.
Can I throw my tire or? Oh, I got. I'm stuck.
Yeah. Go dive. Switch off now. Actually, use your grab and then switch off.
I will shield you.
Takes a licking. Keeps on ticking.
Greetings. Peace be upon you.
Widow's up high on the left.
Gosh.
Get ready to
He's
push
down
down
there.
Careful.
Wait.
Push on cart. Push on cart. You guys are standing way too far
Get
back.
mercy, get mercy, get mercy.
Oh, shit.
Shit. The widow.
Get the Winston.
Fuck.
Fire at will.
Oh, I'm not. Alright, I'm switching.
Get this Viva. No,
Put the
wait.
choice of
Zenyatta back there. Get this Zenyatta.
Holy shit.
Okay, I'm going back a little bit.
Fuck.
Someone killed the baby Diva. I mean Diva.
No, she
The
already got
baby
Mac.
what?
Diva.
She got Mac, it doesn't matter.
Never mind.
Shit.
Widow's up here. To the left.
Where's she discard?
I got my
Widow's
ult.
out of mech.
Sorry.
Zarya.
There is low.
Widow. Widow dead.
Hey, well that just happened.
Never mind.
Take it in. Side first. Get behind something.
Alright, they're pushing. Hansel's back here.
Here.
Oh my god, that was good. The widow's back.
Hanzo behind.
Widow.
Hansel's down.
Огонь по готовности. This is not your time.
Okay, Reinhardt.
Yeah, run low.
Should have popped all over the gun before.
Shit, I'm dead.
60 seconds remaining.
I'm on it.
I'm on Zarya.
Back up. Nobody else is there. You're feeding. You're staggering yourself.
Group up.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
I'm right here.
Alright, now we gotta touch.
Oh, shit. Well.
Back in the fight.
Scores 3-3. Switching sides.
Die.